Hello everyone, good morning. It's John the Don with another fragrance review. Now, before I get started, I just want to say thank you to the new subscribers for tuning in. And of course, I'm grateful for, the old subscribers that are still following me, that are still, commenting, that are still asking questions. My main point here is to help y'all and put you guys on to fragrances, to attract the ladies, smell good, and just get your confidence boosted up. I'm on that king movement, so to the fellas. Now, today, I'm bringing you a fragrance that's sophisticated. I'm bringing you a fragrance that you guys know the term is a panty dropper. So this one is that. Now, I get straight to the point with my stuff, so that fragrance is Prada Luna Rossa Carbon. Don't confuse it with the regular Luna Rossa. This is the Carbon, which is the black bottle. Now, I already used this fragrance. This fragrance is relatively new in my collection. I was working at a school and a custodian named Gregory. Shout out to you, Gregory. If it wasn't for you, it probably would have took me longer to get this. So thanks. If you're tuning in, leave me a comment, bro. Now, anyways, like I said, I wore this fragrance already, but I just kept the box for presentation purposes. So here it is. This is the box. Nothing that special. This is a 3.4 fluid ounce. Open it up. Bad boy's in there. Slide it out. And here you have it, fellas. Comes with a clear cap. Just bust it out. Now, the atomizer is is misty, but it's like also regular spritz. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm not gonna spray it on because I'm not using this today. But yes, this right here is a panty dropper. A lot of people compare this fragrance to Dior Sauvage. I mean, they resemble the same, like they're kind of like in the same family, but Sauvage is more loud, is more youthful. This settles down more. This is more softer. Like, you can smell it in the air, don't get me wrong. Projection on this fragrance easily is 2-3 hours with just less than 4 sprays on you. I'm talking 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're good for 5-6 hours easily. This fragrance lasts on clothing for 8+ hours, hands down. Now, they come in 3 sizes. They come in a 1.7 fluid ounce, they come in a 3.4, and then they come on a 5.1 if I'm not mistaken. Now, this fragrance easily could run you between $60 to over $100, of course, depending on the size bottle you get. So, keep that in mind. Now, this fragrance consists of bergamot, pepper, it has coal, it has lavender, it has metallic notes, it has watery ocean notes that all blend in to make this panty dropping fragrance right here. Now, this fragrance is not that old compared to the regular Luna Rossa. This fragrance was released in 2017. So, we're talking 5 years. If you haven't picked it up, do so. This fragrance, you won't be disappointed. If you haven't had it, I'm not sponsored, but if you want to smell good, you want to smell sophisticated, you want to smell, this is definitely a confident booster. Like, forget about it. That's out the door. Anyways, for you new people that haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'm bringing new content. I'm trying to be more on point on this. Thank you for everything, and cheers.